So what's also very interesting about Imago relationship therapy is once you have an understanding, and of course I always recommend to people that they should get the book and read Getting the Love You Want, which is a fantastic, fantastic book. And of course my husband Don and myself do the Getting the Love You Want workshop for couples. But once you read that book, I don't really feel like you need to have a partner in order to understand the dynamics of what Harville and Helen are talking about in that book. And then putting it into yourself, it also, you almost like once you open up that knowledge base, you can't shove it all back in and say, oh, I can't see this or I don't see that. And everything, when you think about it, is relational. So because Imago relationship therapy is a relational therapy, and it's also solution-focused therapy, obviously with also psychodynamic in there as well, you can't help but say to yourself, wow, now that I'm understanding that this is a pattern I have with myself, this is a pattern that I'm recreating with everybody I meet. So I can have an individual come in who maybe is not having a great relationship or marriage or family situation, and I focus not on allowing them to feel like a victim, because again, I want the solution for them. I don't want them coming here forever. So it's looking more at, so where are they accountable in the process? How are they feeding into it? And how are they recreating certain childhood patterns in their interactions in the present?